Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need admin access. Once you confirm that, close bandwidth-sensitive apps so the reset completes without interruption. Open Start, then Settings, then Network and Internet. Select Status. This path takes you to the central network overview where Windows shows current adapters. Make sure to disconnect VPNs and jot down Wi-Fi passwords because the reset removes saved networks. Once there, make sure Ethernet is connected if available. That keeps access, while wireless profiles are cleared and simplifies recovery. You'll see Network Reset in Status. Click it and then choose Reset Now when prompted. This instructs Windows to uninstall network adapters and remove saved network settings so drivers will be reinstalled cleanly. The system warns you that it will restart. Accept that. The restart finalizes driver reinstallation. Once done, make sure to reconnect to your Wi-Fi and re-enter passwords, and reinstall any VPN or virtual adapters you relied on, because those are removed during the reset process for a fresh state. After the reset and initial reconnect, verify internet access. If it's flaky, reboot one more time to clear transient issues. If adapters show errors, open Device Manager and update or roll back drivers. That fixes many driver mismatches. If you remain offline, run Windows Network Troubleshooter, which checks IP, DNS, and adapter status automatically. As a final tip, check your TCP/IP4 settings to ensure DHCP is enabled. If a static IP was required, reapply those values carefully to restore full connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.